Hello and welcome to the new episode of the Muffin YouTube channel. Today we are exploring free text-to-speech tools that are super easy to use and packed with amazing features. First up, check out Text-to-Speech.online. You can choose from various languages and voices, and the best part, you get up to 10,000 characters per use for free. Want something even more realistic? Try the new website SpeechSynthesis.online, where you can access lifelike AI voices that sound almost human. Both tools are perfect for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Now, let's dive in. The first website we are seeing Text-to-Speech.online. Here is how it works. First, choose your language. In here, as you can see, I'm selecting English, US voice, and then select a voice actor to suit your style or you want. Type your text in the box and hit play and listen to your custom voice over. You can even download the audio to use wherever you like. Let's test it out.
Hello and welcome to this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
Speech synthesis. Next, let's explore SpeechSynthesis.online. First, type your text into the editor, then choose the language and a voice actor, and add more customization like a cheerful tone or a specific role later use. It's that simple.
Great! I hope you like it.
So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you found this video helpful. See you in the next episode.